Hi everyone, Deb here. So welcome to Embellishments on the 11th. This is a collaboration that I host, and we are continuing into 2025, and mostly the same crowd. We have a new member, a new participant, so be sure to check everyone else down below in the description area, and we'll be posting on the 11th each month at noon Eastern, and whatever time that translates for you. But you can watch it, anytime. And please do, and please hop along to everybody that's participating and see what they've made. I'm in Valentine's mode because I have a pocket letter I have to do for a trade or swap that I don't even know who my swap partner is yet. But if you were on my live, you saw that I made these as a starting point, and here's the paper thing that the sheet protector thing that it fits in, the baseball card or trading card thing. Now these were, well, I won't get into that. You can watch that video, but that's as far as I got with it. And I thought, well, let me pull out my heart stuff. So the first thing I did is I like using little envelopes. So I made a bunch of these. Now the papers I used were out of this Authentique I've had for a while. It's called Beloved. Collection is Beloved. And also this, which is Recollections Valentine's Day from, I don't know when, 2016. So I probably bought it in February 2017. I still have it. And then if you watched my live, you'll know that I had some papers, two colors, Melon Mambo and Lovely Lipstick, which is retired Stampin' Up. And I do have some scraps here, and I had some scrap pattern papers from that too, and I did use some of them. But the ones that are looking vintagey are authentic. Okay, and then the stamp and dice that I used the most was this, which is long retired. But I love this set, this Sealed with Love, because I love this little envelope and inserts that can put in it. And this thing, which I did one of, I'll show you in a minute. And actually, I did some of this die and this die this time, which I don't remember ever using. I might also cut out some arrows, but I ran out of time. And then the other thing I used are these retired Heart Punch Duo. Love, love, my favorite heart punches ever. So anyway, these little envelopes on a couple of them, three of them that have these hearts at the top, I stamped Sending Love, and this is the Authentique paper. And then I think I stamped it on here too. This was just on a scrap of pale pink paper. And this is also, I think, Authentique. Yeah, and then this is paper, I think, out of there too, which more red. And I think I have one more Authentique. Yeah, but this time these were cut aparts from the Recollections pad, and instead of putting the other little heart thing in, I put some of the cut aparts, but I had one more little heart. Here we go. This is the Recollections paper pad, and again, Sending Love, and this is Melon Mambo cardstock. I did the hearts. I didn't realize until later there's actually a stamp to put a design on these. Now this one has one, but I might go back and attempt to um, put a design on there. I don't know. I'm afraid I'll ruin them. Anyway, so all the rest of these have the little cut aparts from the Recollections pad in here. And these bling, I'm pretty sure I got these years ago at AliExpress. I don't remember. That was like my one and only AliExpress haul. And I have some Recollections, these satiny hearts on these two here. And then I have Dollar Tree red hearts on these two here. And I wrote with a metallic pen because it has "You Are So Blank," and I just wrote "Loved." I can't print very well or write very well, so I have 7 of those. And then with some of the papers I had from Stampin' Up! In that pack from my former upline when I was a demonstrator. This one, I put some washi on, and I don't know where these washies are from, guys, but that one, I just put that, I prepared these to use in pocket letter, for example. This was also another piece that had this on the back, so I used both sides of it. Just some washi across here, and I don't know what I want to do, ribbon, or I want some kind of embellishment here, and I'll get to that in a minute. These both were scraps from the demonstrator. This was a scrap out of the recollections pad, and then just a little bit of washi here. And one more, this was out of the recollections pad, and I just put this washi down both sides. And I found there's actually in that same stamp set, there's lips, and I realized it too late, but see, there's lips and kiss, sealed with a kiss I could put, or just kiss. You know, I might do something like that too. Um, Now, so that's those. And then with the heart punches and the dies that go with this, this was a punch. This was one of the dies out of the lovely lipstick. This was the other punch, but then I did it with the wrong punch, and I used the scalloped one, which you'll see these fit perfectly, but I didn't want to cover up this beautiful paper. So I had another one of those stripey things and just put it on top. And I'll probably put arrows or words or something on there. Now these next two, it's the cardstock with the scallop, the one of the paper pads with this, the authentique I used with another die from that set that lifts up like that. It's dimensional. How cool is that? And then this one was the same paper as what I used for these envelopes here. And then the cardstock for the center part. And then this was another one of the papers there. So I did those. And then these are all just the scallop with design paper on, and I haven't decided yet how I'm going to further embellish those. So I have for 8 heart punched out pieces. I did only do one of these. This is meant to be like along the edge of a card, but I thought I could, you know, kind of cut it and maybe have it to go down one of these. You know, I don't know which one yet. Yeah, actually the best one probably would be this one. So I might do that, and 4 hearts will fit on there, so I can use that, and then I can just cut the other two and use them for something else. And then I just did cut apart the strips in the paper pads that I'm going to plan on using to embellish the others. These actually can be further cut apart. And then one of those strips had words, hello, love, marry me, you and me, forever, and sweet. But I don't know that I'd use them in a pocket letter. And then there's a sheet of paper that has words, and I fussy cut love, roses, because, you know, roses would go on here. And I could maybe even find a poem like roses are red, you know, I don't know. And this one's just a little heart with love. Kiss, I could use, oh no, that's bliss, I'm sorry. This is kisses, and that could go on the lips with some of with the lips if I stamp them. Cherish, cute, and XOXO, so I thought I could use those. So that's really all I had time to do, but I'm working on it, and I had this. I didn't make this, but this was another die cut from a different set. I don't think that'll fit on these. Oh, no, it's a different shape heart. It goes with a different stamp set. But I think I'll be stamping some of the lips, and I don't usually do that, and kiss. And then I can use the kisses from here, and we'll figure something else out to embellish those cards. Plus, I pulled out a bunch of different washi. I'm not even sure this is all I have pulled out. I I don't know why I have a blue one here, but anyway, probably pulled it out by accident. And I have this too, which is really pretty. So I will be leaving this stuff out and working on it even after this video. So that's all I have for now. I hope you enjoyed. Please go check out, and these are not all going to fit in one pocket letter. So I might be sending some embellishments out in Happy Mail in February. Plus, I know my daughter's birthday is in February, so I could possibly use something for that. And I have two granddaughters I can send Valentine's stuff to, right? So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and weekend, and I will talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.